Hey y'all, welcome back to Cooking with Ned. Today I'll be showing you how to make the easiest strawberry cheesecake just using 9 ingredients. Let's get started. So we'll be starting with some crushed graham crackers. Right here I'm using some crushed up Biscoff, or you could use whatever type of graham cracker you would like. And then we're going to just add 1 stick of butter, which equates to a half a cup of butter. You're going to continue to mix until you get a sand-like texture. Once your crust is completely mixed, you should be able to form it into a ball. That's how you know it's done. Next, we're going to add our crust into our pie pan. And you can add as much as you want, but I just like a little bit of crust on mine and more cheesecake. Now we're just going to use something flat just to compact that crust down to the pan, making sure we don't have any holes. Now we're going to place our pie crust into our oven on 350 for about 15 minutes. In the meantime, let's get started on our filling. So in the mixing bowl, we're going to add 2 blocks of cream cheese, 2 room temperature eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and we're going to also add 3/4 cups of sugar. Now in the medium setting, we're going to continue to whisk this up until it's nice and smooth, and when it's done, it should look something like this. Now that our pie crust is out of the oven, we're going to go ahead and add our cream cheese filling, and we're going to just fill it all the way to the top. Then we're going to give it a few taps on the counter just to get rid of all the air bubbles, and then we're going to place it in the oven on 350 for about 35 to 45 minutes until the center is slightly jiggled and the edges are nice and golden brown. Now for our strawberry topping, all you will need is about 1 bag of frozen strawberries, and I used about 2 cups of granulated sugar. And we're going to put this on medium to high heat, and we're going to continue to mix this up until the berries start to release its juices. Once they're done releasing their juices, it should look something like this, and it's going to make its own syrup. So you guys just continue to mix it until it get nice and thick to your consistency. Now that we took our cheesecake out of the oven, I went ahead and let it chill for about 2 hours, and now we're going to go ahead and add our strawberry topping right over the top. Look at those delicious strawberries. Would you try this recipe? Let me know down in the comment section. I really would like to know how many of you guys are interested in making this delicious cheesecake. It was so good, and this is something that you can make like on date nights, or you could just make it if you just finding yourself needing some type of sweets. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit that like button, subscribe to Cooking with Ned, and share this video with someone who loves cheesecake. I'll see y'all in the next one.